On a sunny day, a little water droplet named Mimi sat on a green leaf. She sparkled like a tiny pearl.
What a beautiful sun. I want to see the world.
Suddenly, Mimi began to rise into the sky. She rose and rose and rose. The warm sun had transformed her into water vapor. And so she drifted up, all the way to a great white cloud. Inside the cloud, Mimi met many other droplets.
Welcome, Mimi. We travel with the wind.
A gentle gust of wind carried the cloud far over trees and mountains.
What a wonderful view.
But the cloud grew heavier and heavier, and suddenly, Mimi fell as a raindrop. She tumbled from the sky like a little glittering pearl. Gently, Mimi landed in a small stream.
I've become water again.
Happily, Mimi swam through the stream, past fish and stones, until she finally reached the wide open sea. Mimi floated in the shimmering sea and waited for the sun to invite her on a new, wonderful journey.
How amazing. I travel, I change, and yet I always return. This is my wonderful journey.